Okay, good morning, guys. So I hope my voice is clear for everyone. Okay, fine. So in the last session, we done the discussion with what does it mean by full stack and what are the technologies going forward we will learn. In the last session, we discussed, right? So today we will discuss about like the basic things like what is Java and so history of Java. I would say the introduction of evolution of Java we will discuss today. Generally, the first question they will ask, like if you enter as a fresher level, or the basic question they will ask, what is Java? Okay, so generally, before going to start the Java, we need to know about the language. What is language? What is language? And then what is programming language? What is language and what is programming language? This is the difference you need to understand, right? For example, I will use the MS Paint. You can assume there have the two persons. Okay, so one person, there are two persons you can assume. One person is here, and then the person is telling some. The message is something like this is the one person. Okay, so the same thing. Here we have the one more person, and now the person want to communicate with this person. So how could the person will communicate? We will use, for example, the their local language they will use, right? For example, if the person will tell hi, then this is the person A. You can assume this is the person A and this is the person B. Okay, whatever the knowledge, whatever the local language A person knows, so the person use that language and he will tell to the some like hello, or hi, he will tell to some hi to this person. So B person also knows the same language, then he will return to hello. He will return to hello, right? So here they are using some language, right? So if they use the Hindi language, then Hindi language is a one mediator in between two persons. If they will use the English language, then English language they will act as a mediator. So the thing is here, language is a mediator to in between two persons for the communication purpose. Okay, so language which will act as a mediator between two persons. Okay, so now you get the clarity, like what does it mean by language. So generally the language might be the anything, might be Hindi, might be any language. So language, the main purpose of language is, so language which will act as a mediator in between two persons for communication purpose. Now the person want to communicate with mission. So how the person could communicate with the mission? So the same person here I am taking, and now the person want to communicate with mission. This is okay. This is the person, and this person want to communicate with mission. So how the person will communicate with mission? This is the I can assume this is a mission like that. Now the person want to communicate with mission. How? So there we will use the programming language. Now can get the clarity, like what does it mean by generally the language, programming language. Basically, you can take this one. So here programming language will act as a mediator in between human and machine. Human and mission. Okay, this is the mission. This is the mission, and this is the human. So programming language is which will act as a mediator between human and mission. So that is the major difference. Okay, what is language and what is programming language? So in the programming language we have various programming languages. The various languages are like in the market, like C, Java, Python, .NET. So these are the various programming languages. Those programming language main purpose is humans want to communicate with the missions. Humans want to communicate with the missions. So general normal language which is used to a mediator, which will act as a mediator between two persons, between two humans, and programming language which will act as a communication between human and mission. Human and mission. This is clear. Now the next thing is how programming language build is the next question. Like that one I will show you the diagrammatically, then we'll get some clarity on it. How programming language build this one. So we'll see with respect to language and we'll see with respect to programming language. So first I will take with if you take any language, so directly like if any baby born, so directly the baby able to speak directly, no, right? So any person, they need to process, they will follow some process, right? For example, we'll go with some language. For example, if we take any language, if we take any language, so first what we will do, first we should learn characters, right, from A to Z. Okay, with the help of characters, what we will do, with the help of characters we will make words, right? We can make the words. So I will mention directly like this. Okay, fine. With the help of words, these are the characters. First we will learn the characters, and with the help of characters we can make the words. Okay, words. With the help of words we can make the sentences. We can make the sentences. Okay, with the help of sentences we can make the paragraphs. We can make the paragraphs. With the help of paragraphs we can make the stories. We can write the stories. So if you go with any language, so this is the process basically. Basic things we will learn, and with the help of basic things you can make the words. With the help of words you can make the sentences. With the help of sentences you can make the paragraphs. With the help of paragraphs you can make the stories. Any language, the same process. Okay, so similarly with respect to programming language, so this is with respect to any language. Now we'll try to understand with respect to programming language how it will be. Now I will take what are the basic things you should learn. With respect to programming language, so I am mentioning PL, programming language. First two basic things we will learn A to Z. So already you know A to Z characters. Next numbers 0 to 9. These numbers also you know. And some special characters at the rate, hash, underscore. These are some special characters are available. These special characters also you know. Okay. And these are the basics. characters, numbers, special characters. These three are the basics. With the help of these basics, we can make the tokens. Token meaning every teeny part of the program. Any small part of the program is called token. Okay. With the help of these tokens, we can make the statements. We can make the statements in a program. We can make the statements. With the help of a group of statements is called a program. We can write here the program. Okay, with the help of program, we can develop the software. So as a fresher level, they will ask the question is, what is software? What is software? Could you please explain? This is the fresher level question and very regular question. So then what is your answer? What is software? Software is nothing but group of programs. If you see the diagram, software is nothing but a group of programs is called software. Okay, so this is the process. So this is with respect to language and this is with respect to programming language. Okay, if you go with the basic things, you should learn the characters, and then after that we can make the words, and then we can make the sentences, and then after that we can make the paragraphs, and after that we can make the stories. So similarly with respect to programming language also same, characters, numbers, special characters. With the help of those basics you can make the tokens. With the help of tokens you can make the statements. With the help of statements you can make the programs, and you can develop the software. So in the fresher level, they will ask like, what is software? Could you please explain? Software is nothing but a group of programs is called software. A group of programs is called software. This is clear. Now the next question is, now you can get the clarity what is language and what is programming language. So Java is also one programming language. So which is used to communicate between the human and machine. Now you can get the clarity. Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language. Language is a mediator in between two persons. Programming language is a mediator in between human and machine. Human and machine. Now you can get the clarity Java. So what is Java? So here the basic question is, Java is a programming language. So you know already what does it mean by programming language. Java is a programming language. Okay. And next question is, father of Java. Father of Java is James Gosling and his team. Okay, James Gosling and his team. James Gosling and his team in 1991 actually. So Java introduced at the time of introducing the Java, James Gosling is the father of Java and his team. So father of Java is James Gosling and his team. So in 1991, and the company name is Sun Microsystem. So Java introduced company is Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem. So generally, for example, if you go to buy any product on the electronic store, they will how to use the predefined classes and everything. So where you can check, you can go to the document, that is Java S8 document. Java S8. This is the document actually. So here, this is the document. All the predefined classes, all the predefined packages, everything is available. And so this is every time, wherever, if you are working as a Java developer, so this is the mandatory document. We have to cross check here, and then through that, you can how the predefined classes are working, and everything you can get the clarity from this document. So this document is also very very important. Okay, so Sun Microsystem has given to us one document. So about predefined classes and predefined packages, everything, all the information are available in that document. Okay. So Java introduced, the company name is Sun Microsystem. Okay, Sun Microsystem. And Java initial name is Oka. Java initial name. Java initial name is Oka. Java initial name is Oka. Java initial name is Oka. So they renamed actually in 1995. 1995 they renamed to Java. They renamed to Java. So initial Java name is the Oak, and in 1995 they renamed it to Java. Okay. Now the node point is in 2010. In 2010, Oracle company acquired. In 2010, Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem. Okay. Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystem. So now license of JDK, license, I can say license of JDK, everything under Oracle company. Everything I can mention with everything under Oracle company. Everything under Oracle company. Are you guys clear with my points? So initial company name is the Sun Microsystem. In 2010, Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem. Acquired Sun Microsystem. So now license and everything under the control of Oracle company. Everything under the control of Oracle company. Okay. And the next point is about Java is the open source. Open source. Okay. Java is the open source. So we can search in the Google also. We can get the say multiple websites actually. So through that also we can learn. Generally, Java is the open source. So almost 3 billion devices are currently working on the same Java technology. So Java is the very big technology. I mean very popular technology, and this is the open source. Yeah, like there we have there lot of community versions. There we have the lot of communities. You can search in the Chrome also. You can learn from the Chrome also. So generally, Java is the open source. Java is the open source. Okay, this is clear. Now we will discuss about the some Java features. So generally Java is a programming language, and the father of Java is the James Gosling and the Steve, and it has introduced in 1991. Java introduced company is Sun Microsystem. Java initial name is the Oak, and in 1995 they renamed to Java, and in 2010 Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem. Now the license of JDK everything under the Oracle company, and it is the Java is the open source. Okay, now let us discuss about the Java features actually. Java features. So Java features. So the first feature is this is the simple thing, like the syntax, everything simple compared to C and C++. Why they are comparing the C, C++? Because they are old technologies, right? They are the first and they are the first technologies, right? So that's why compared to C and C++, Java is easy to syntax, easy to write. The syntax is easy and easy to learn the Java. Okay, that is the simple. And next feature is platform independent. Platform independent. Platform independent meaning generally we can write the program in any system, and we can run the programs in any other systems also. So generally I will show you here generally how the process will be there. Platform independent meaning, for example, if you write the Java program in any system, like that might be the Windows, that might be the Mac, that might be the Linux, anything it might be. For example, I will show you here. You can mention this is hello.java. This is the source file. This source file you can write in any way, meaning Windows, Linux, Mac, you can write anywhere. And this you can compile. Uh, Compilation meaning there have the compiler tool. So compiler in the JDK it is containing some tools, right? So compiler is the tool. What it will do? It will generate the dot class files. It will generate the dot class files. Now it can contain dot class files. This dot class files you can run anywhere. This all the dot class files. Compiler. These all are the dot class files. This is the bytecode. This bytecode you can run on any system. You can run on any system. Okay. That system might be Windows, Linux, MacBook, anything. You can run anywhere. So platform independent meaning you can write any system, you can run anywhere. That is the platform independent. That is the advantage with Windows. I can take this one. This is the Windows OS and Mac, and this is the you can assume some Linux. You can run in any system, and you can compile as a bytecode. This bytecode you can run any platform. So that is the big feature. That is also one feature, right? A simple platform independent, and next one is the portable. Portable. Portable meaning we can move our files from one system to another system. We can move one system to another system. Okay. And next one is we have the OOPS principles, right? It will support the OOPS principles. It will support the OOPS principles. So OOPS principles also very important. So in the real time scenarios, so methods deals with the OOPS only. Methods deals with objects. Objects. OOP meaning object oriented language. So OOPS is a very important concept. So it will deals with the OOPS. So it will support the OOPS. And next feature is it will support the threading. It will support the threading. It will support the threading. So there we have the multi-threading concept. So there itself it will support the multi-threading. So the purpose of multi-threading where we have the options like synchronize and non-synchronize. For example, if you want to book the same ticket, bus ticket, so same time multiple persons also trying to book the same ticket, right? So if you're not using the threading concept, then 10 people's same ticket they might be booked. That is the issue will come arise, right? So how to avoid? So there to avoid that issues, we'll have the concept that is the threading. It will support the threading, multi-threading concepts. Okay. And next, Java, the main advantage with the Java is it will provide the security. How it will provide the security? Basically, it will support the OOPS. OOPS, basically, here we have the principles. There are four principles actually. What are the four principles? Encapsulation, and next we have the inheritance, and we have the abstraction, and we have the polymorphism. We have the polymorphism. These are the four principles. Okay. So in the four principles, so we will hide the some code based on the requirement. So finally, so the main advantage with the Java is it will provide the security. It will provide the security. Okay. It will provide the security. So these are the points we need to remember about the Java features. Okay. Are you guys clear with my point? The same scenario I will show you through the PDF also, then you know we'll get some clarity on it. Here I open. If I open this one, these are the chapter first. In the chapter number one, we will discuss these are the topics: Java introduction, Java features, Java installation, Java program execution flow, Java programming elements, Java programming programs development, compilation, execution, translators, and JVM architecture. Okay, these are the topics. So here we are discussing about what is Java. So can you please read these points? What is the first point? Java is a programming language. Okay, what is the second point? Java developed by James Gosling and his team in 1991 at a Sun Microsystem company. Okay, and what is the third point? Initially, they named it as Oak programming language. Next point, in 1995, Oak programming language renamed to Java. Okay, next, what is the note point? Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystem in 2010. Now Java is under the license of Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Next, Java is a free and open source software. Okay, so currently 3 billion devices running on Java language only. Running on Java language only. Next point, Java is the one of the most popular language in the world. Okay, and next thing is Java can run on any platform. It is the platform independent. Next thing is this is also Java generally it is divided into three parts. So that I will tell you. Java is divided into three parts actually. So the first part is we can say JSE, JSE, or I can say J2SE, J2SE. So this is called Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Meaning this is the core Java. Core Java. In the core Java, we will learn the basic things. How to write the programs and how to compile the programs. Basic things you can learn. With the help of basic things, we can develop the standalone applications. We can develop the standalone applications. We can develop the standalone applications. Okay. And next we have the J2W that is also called as JW. J2W. J2W. This is called Java Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition. So if you observe in the some like if anyone they are looking for like LinkedIn portals, if you can look with some EM hirings, so the HR they will provide some description like whoever want to apply for this role, so the person must have these skills. So in that description they will mention some HRs they will mention J2W and some HRs they will mention JW. Both are same. Okay, both are same. JW meaning Java Enterprise Edition, so which is some advanced Java like that. Advanced Java, so generally which we can develop we can develop dynamic applications. We can develop web applications. Web applications meaning this we can access within the system only. But this we can access multiple systems through the net, through the internet. Okay. Next we have the JME, that is also called as J2ME. J2ME. So generally this is called Java Mobile Edition. Java mobile editions. So generally, which we can develop the mobile applications. Mobile applications. Okay, these are the basically the Java is divided into three parts: JSE, JW, JME. JSE, JW, and JME. Okay, and next we'll go with the we have the next thing is these are the Java features actually, and the types of projects. We have the types of projects in IT industry, types of applications. The types of applications like first one is web applications, and we have the mobile desktop applications, and we have next we have the mobile applications. Next we have the AI applications, AI applications. Next we have the IoT applications, and next we have the 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications. So these are the applications generally we have. Okay. So with the help of Java also we can develop these type of applications. I will give general examples for the web applications. So generally web applications meaning like digital applications. Like if you take the Flipkart, Amazon, Flipkart, Amazon. So these all are comes under the category of web applications. All are. These are the examples I am telling. Like some stock related applications. All are comes under the category of web applications. Next, desktop applications meaning desktop native applications like MS Word and next MS Paint. So these we can access within the same system only, right? So such kind of desktop native applications is called desktop applications. Desktop applications. Examples are MS Word, MS Paint, etc. Next we have the mobile applications. Mobile applications meaning mobile native applications. In the mobile native applications, the examples are like we have the mobile calendar, right? Calendar, some mobile calculator, right? Mobile calculator. So these are the examples for mobile applications. Okay. And next we have the AI applications, artificial intelligence applications. Like for example, if you are using the iPhone, so their option is there, right? Siri, like you click on the button and you can tell to the Siri, hey Siri, please call to this number. Then what it will do? It will call to that person. Okay, that is AI application. So examples are Siri and Alexa. Alexa, these are the examples for the AI applications. AI applications. Next, Internet of Things applications. Internet of Things applications generally. For example, if you go to the traffic signals, so 20 minutes, I would say 40 seconds, I guess, green light will blink. After the 40 seconds, red light will blink for 20 minutes, 20 seconds actually. So how they are the signals are maintained in the timelines. So they will develop by using the IoT. Such kind of applications is called IoT applications. IoT meaning Internet of Things. Internet of Things applications. Okay. So I can mention traffic signals. Traffic signals are the examples. Traffic signals are the examples for the IoT applications. And next we have the 2D and 3D gaming applications, where you can observe this 2D and 3D gaming applications. For example, if you visit some shopping malls, there some kids are riding some bikes, right? For example, if you visit some shopping malls, so the kids are riding some bike, and how much speed they are riding the bike, everything you can observe in the screen, right? So gaming. So there are mostly these gaming applications you can observe in the shopping malls. In front of shopping malls, they uh, keeping some games like bike riding, some listening music like that. So such kind of gaming applications they can develop by using the 2D and 3D gaming applications. So these are the types of applications generally. Okay. So with the help of Java also we can develop all the applications like standalone applications, web applications, mobile applications, games, servers and databases. These are the by using Java language you can develop these all the applications. Okay. Next Java features. Okay, the first one is the simple right. Can you please read this first statement? Java is to learn and its syntax is quite simple and clean and easy to understand. Okay, clean and easy to understand. So compared to C++. Next, the second one is the platform independent. Platform independent. What does it mean by platform independent? Platform independent meaning if you observe here, if you write the Java program in one system, we have the compiler tool, we can compile and then the compiler will generate the bytecode and then we can get the compile code we can run in any system. Like that might be the Linux, that might be the Windows, that might be the Mac, that might be the Mac. Okay, next one is it will support the OOPS principles. So in the OOPS principles, these are the like topics like object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Abstraction and encapsulation. Okay, so next thing is it will provide the security. Security. So if you read this one, when it comes to security, Java is always first choice. With the Java secure features, it enables us to develop virus-free and temper-free system. Java program always run in Java runtime environment with almost null iteration with the system OS, and hence it is more secure. Okay, next it will provide the multi-threading. Okay, and then architectural neutral meaning it will generate the bytecode. That bytecode you can run in any system. Portable meaning you can move from one system to another system. So performance is high compared to these two languages. Performance is high. And next we can develop the distributed. Java is also called as is also a distributed language. Okay, so programs can be designed to be run on the computer networks. Java has a special class library for communicating using TCP and IP protocols. Creating the network connection is very much easy in Java compared to C, C++. So we can IP, Internet Protocol. So these are the things also we can use by using the Java. So this is the Java slogan. Java slogan is the Aura. Aura meaning we can write once, run anywhere. This is the Java slogan. Okay, write once, run anywhere is the Java slogan. Next we have the topic that is the Java history. Java history. So I will tell you the Java history. Now we'll get the some clarity on it. For example, if I open, you can look for the Java history. Java history, Wikipedia, and Java version history. Can come down. These are these versions actually. So the first version they has released in 1.0 in 1996. Okay. Next they has released 1.1 version in 97. Next they has released in 1.2 version in 1998, and they has released in 1.3 in 2000 version 2000 year. Next 1.4 2002, 5 2004, and 1.6 in 2006, and 1.7 in 2011, 1.8 in 2014. So 1.5 is the very big release. Okay, so why? Because compared to previous versions, they bring most features. Okay, they bring most features. So after that, 1.7 also 1.7 after if you observe here they released 1.7 in 2011. So here also they bring more features. Okay, 1.8 also. 1.8 is also. After 1.8, if you observe 1.9, they released in 2017, 1.10 they released in 2018, and 11 they released in same 2018 September. And after the 11, if you observe here, after every version they are releasing 6 months, 12, 13, 14, 12 in 2019 March, 13 September 2019, and 14 mention March 2022, 2020, 15 September 2020. So for example, if you write the exam and if you fail in March, then when will you write the exam? September. September also will you fail, then March. March will you fail, then September. Same way here also they has releasing the versions. The versions has failed some due to some scenarios. So that is the reason every 6 months they are releasing the new versions. If you observe here, every 6 months, March, September, March, September, March, September, March, September, March, September. After 11, after 11 there is no stable version actually. 11 there is no stable version. Every 6 months they are releasing the new versions. 9 March, September, March, September. Now the latest version is 25. Latest version is the 25. But this is not a stable. Okay, every 6 months they are releasing the versions are failing, right? So in the IT industry, in the interview perspective, they will ask the question is, okay, what is the current version you are using in your project? Current version of JDK you are using in your project. Then what is your answer? So most of them what they will tell, so they can Google and then they come to the Java history and they tell 25. Why? Because this is the latest version, right? But this is not a stable version, right? So nobody, they don't know like this is a this is not a stable version. So all the IT companies, they don't dare to work on the there is no guarantee with this version. Okay, so that is the reason all the companies they will work with the stable versions. So here what are the stable version? So might either 11, either 8. These two are the stable versions. Okay, so if they will ask like what is your current version of JDK you are using in project, you can tell 1.8 or 11 or 11. So generally, so 90% projects, 90%, around 90%, 90% projects they are using 1.8 version. 1.8 version. Only 10% of projects they are using 11 version. They are using 11 version. So this is the Java history. Okay, this is a Java history. If anyone they will ask like if you are keeping 3 years or 4 years of experience, if they will ask like which version currently you are using for developing your project, then you can say either 1.8 or 11 version. 11 version. Why? Because they are stable versions. Okay, they are stable versions. Okay, they are stable versions. Next thing is download JDK software. How to download the JDK software? So simply, so in our case, we are using the JDK 11 version. Okay, JDK 11 version. For practicing purpose, so some might be asking like, sir, could I download any version for core Java? This is the Java history, right? For running the core Java, we can download any one. You can download the latest version also, that is also fine. But according to the AEM, so AEM will support 11 version only. Why? Because this is the 11, either 11 or it will support 1.8. So that is the reason. So in the core Java itself, we are telling to you, you can download 11 or 8. Okay. 11 and 8. So how will you download the JDK software? You can come to the Chrome and you can look for the Java JDK 11 download for Windows. 11 download for Windows. Okay, and then you can get the Oracle company. So now the JDK is licensed under the control of Oracle company, right? You can click on the Oracle company. Now you can go down. You can get Windows 64 installer. You can click on it. Then download. So in my case, I have the Oracle account. If you, in your case, if you not the have the account Oracle account, so similarly it is creation of Oracle account, which is similar to how you are created the Facebook. So like that one, it will ask some names. Okay, it will ask some so like that only simple steps, surname, mobile number, mail, and then you can create the account. So once you create the account, you can give the mail and password, then you can log in successful, and then it will be download to your in your local. It will download to in your local. So it is asking the location path. So generally I am giving my location path is this one. So in my case already available. Presently, the software which is available in my downloads path. So I need to install in my local. How could I install? So if you click on that software, double click, then it will ask the permissions. Like, do you want to allow this make changes to your device? Yes, I can make. And then it will ask the default location. It will take the default location. Next. So the default location is this one. C program files Java JDK 11. Okay. You like the same path, you can go with the, or not, you can change the path also. Okay. I am going with that the same path. Next. And it is installing to my system. So in my case already available JDK. So once you click on that, it is available in C program files Java JDK and up to bin. So inside the bin contain the some configurations files, some configuration files, and some tools are available. So what the tools? The tools are like the compiler is the one tool. If you go down, these all are the tools, right? These all are the tools. Applications all are the tools. If you see here, Java C.exe. This is the one tool actually. With the help of this tool, we can compile source file to bytecode. This is the one tool, okay? This is the one tool. So generally here we have the one more question also. That is the question is, what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? This is the question, right? So JDK means Java Development Kit, which contains tools, which are helpful to develop the Java programs, which are helpful to develop Java programs. Java programs. Next JRE. JRE meaning Java Runtime Environment, which will provide the platform, which will provide the platform to run our Java programs. Platform to run our Java programs. Okay, next we have the JVM. JVM is the virtual machine. So JVM we have the concept, that is the different topic actually. So JVM have the JVM architecture. That JVM architecture is also very important to us. So we will discuss going forward about the JVM architecture. Java virtual machine, which is responsible to execute the programs, to execute the programs, Java programs, and which is responsible memory allocation and deallocation, memory allocation and deallocation. So these are the responsibilities of the JVM. So that is also very regular question. What is JD? What is the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? JDK, which contains tools which are helpful to develop the Java programs. JRE, which will provide the platform to run our Java programs. JVM, which is responsible to execute the Java programs, which is responsible for memory allocation and deallocation. Memory allocation and deallocation. Okay. Okay, download is done. Now we have to how to set up the environment variables. How to set up the environment variables. The first thing is, the first step is we can download. The first step is we can download the JDK software. Okay, next one is install JDK software in your local. JDK software in your local. Default path, that is C program files and Java under JDK. This is the default path, right? And the next third point is set up environment variables. Set up environment variables. In the environment variables, so under the bin, under the JDK, I have the path. Here we can take, for example, open system environment variables. System environment variables. Take new and give the name as, for example, you can go with the search system environment variables. Edit system environment variables, you can go there. Environment variables, you can click on the environment variables and take a new. Here you can give the variable name as the Java home. Java home, and here the variable value we can copy from up to bin. You can come here, you can paste the path without bin here. Okay, this is the one actual path, this is the main path. Okay, this is the main path. Okay, and then again, that is the one path, and second path is here. You can click on the new, and here paste the path up to bin, up to bin. So that is the path you have to remember. So here I will mention take a new and paste up to without bin. And next point is double click on path, double click on the path, then we will get the new option. There you can paste up to bin. So these are the paths, and then 3 times click on OK, and click on Okay, three times, like this one here. So in my case, this is already available. Okay, okay, and then okay. Here also okay, three times okay. After that, step number four, open command prompt and check the Java version. Check the Java version. Check the Java version using below command. Below command. The command of Java hyphen version. So now you can open command prompt. Now here look for the Java hyphen version. So this is the version, right? So in your case also your version has to display like this. In your case also your version has to display like this. If it is displaying like that, so then only can get the you got in your system got installed Java version successfully. Okay, and then Java. This is the Java JRE environment. Okay, JRE environment. So this is the things you have to remember. That is the installation process. That is the installation process. Okay, check the JDK version. So these steps you have to follow in your case, and then you can do the software installation in your local also. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, going forward, we'll discuss how to write the programs, how to compile the programs, everything, right? So, yes, that's it.